Everyone knows that nerdy guy from high school just wasn't that attractive back. But you see him now, he's crushing it, he's successful in his professional life, and clearly he has a great dating life, and you wonder how the hell did. He do it well if you haven't heard of looksmaxxing. Let me tell you, you're about to start hearing that word. A lot. Looksmaxxing is tinkering every aspect of yourself from your appearance to your habits to reach your maximum potential and become the most attractive version of yourself. If that sounds good, I got give steps to get you there now. Step 1. Skincare. Your journey to looksmaxxing starts with taking care of your skin. A healthy and radiant complexion forms the foundation of an attractive appearance. By following a solid skincare routine, you can unlock the potential for a flawless canvas. Begin by cleansing your skin daily to remove impurities, dirt, and excess oil. Look for a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination. After cleansing, exfoliation becomes your secret weapon. It helps remove dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and reveals a smoother texture. Incorporate a suitable exfoliator into your routine, whether it's a physical scrub or a chemical exfoliant. Hydration is key. Moisturize your skin with a nourishing and hydrating moisturizer that suits your skin type. This step helps to replenish moisture, maintain a healthy barrier, and promote a youthful glow. Consider adding targeted treatments like serums or ampules to address specific skin concerns. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and retinol can work wonders in brightening your complexion, reducing fine lines, and promoting collagen production. Don't forget the sun protection. Shielding your skin from harmful UV rays is vital. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an appropriate SPF daily, even on cloudy days, to prevent premature aging and protect your skin's health. Remember, consistency is key. Establishing a regular skincare routine and being patient with the results will lead to visible improvements over time. So dedicate yourself to these skincare practices and watch your skin transform. Step 2. Grooming. Now that you've laid the foundation with proper skincare, it's time to focus on grooming to elevate your looks to the next level. Grooming plays a crucial role in enhancing your overall appearance and presenting a polished image. Start with your hair. Find a hairstyle that suits your face shape and personal style. Regularly visit a trusted hairstylist who can provide expert advice and keep your hair looking its best. Maintain facial hair with precision. Whether you prefer a clean-shaven look or a well-groomed beard, keep it neatly trimmed and shaped. Define your facial features and pay attention to detail. Don't overlook your eyebrows. Well-groomed eyebrows can frame your face and enhance your overall expression. Pluck or trim any stray hairs to maintain a clean and defined shape. Maintain good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, floss regularly, and use mouthwash to keep your breath fresh. Regular dental checkups will ensure a healthy and confident smile. Pay attention to your skin's appearance beyond skincare. Use a quality razor or electric shaver to achieve a smooth shave. If you have a beard, keep it well-groomed and conditioned. Lastly, fragrance matters. Choose a signature scent that suits your personality and style. Apply it sparingly to leave a pleasant and lasting impression wherever you go. By focusing on grooming, you refine your overall look and demonstrate attention to detail. Take pride in your appearance and let your grooming habits enhance your self-confidence. Step 3. Fashion sense. Now that you've taken care of your skin and perfected your grooming, it's time to enhance your style and develop your fashion sense. Fashion is a powerful tool for self-expression and can greatly impact how others perceive you. Start by understanding your body type and dressing accordingly. Identify the silhouettes and styles that flatter your figure. Experiment with different cuts, lengths, and proportions to find what works best for you. Color coordination is key. Learn about color palettes and how different hues can complement your skin tone and enhance your overall look. Play with contrasting and complementary colors to create visually appealing outfits. Pay attention to the fit of your clothes. Ill-fitting garments can detract from your appearance. Invest in tailored pieces or learn basic alteration techniques to ensure a proper fit. Accessorize thoughtfully. Accessories can elevate any outfit and showcase your personal style. Experiment with statement jewelry, scarves, belts, hats, or watches to add that extra touch of flair. Build a versatile wardrobe with key essential pieces. Invest in timeless classics that can be mixed and matched effortlessly. Having a range of options will allow you to create various outfits for different occasions. Step 4. Physical fitness. Looksmaxxing isn't just about your appearance. It's also about feeling your best from the inside out. Physical fitness plays a vital role in enhancing your overall attractiveness and boosting your confidence. Incorporate cardiovascular exercises into your routine to improve endurance, burn calories, and maintain a healthy weight. Activities such as running, cycling, or dancing can be enjoyable ways to get your heart rate up. Strength training is crucial for building muscle tone and sculpting your physique. Incorporate exercises that target different muscle groups, such as weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, or resistance training. Don't forget about flexibility. Engage in stretching exercises or activities like yoga or Pilates to improve your flexibility, posture, and overall body mobility. Step 6. Confidence building. As you embark on your Looksmaxxing journey, building confidence is crucial. Confidence is the key that unlocks your true potential and radiates through every aspect of your being. Let's explore strategies to boost your confidence. Practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Remind yourself of your unique qualities, strengths, and achievements. Embrace self-love and believe in your worth. Work on improving your posture. Stand tall with your shoulders back, head held high, and a confident stride. Good posture not only enhances your physical presence, but also boosts your self-assurance. Develop effective communication skills. Express yourself clearly and assertively. Practice active listening and engage in meaningful conversations. Build your ability to articulate your thoughts and ideas with confidence. Set and achieve goals. Break down your larger aspirations into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone along the way, and use your accomplishments as fuel to propel your confidence forward. Remember, confidence is a journey, and it takes time to develop. Be patient with yourself and embrace the process. The more you work on building your confidence, the more it will radiate through every aspect of your life. Outside your comfort zone strengthens your self-belief and expands your confidence.